Are you busy testing, but still seeing bugs slip into production? The problem isn't your effort, it's your metrics. Stop tracking activity and start tracking impact. Requirements coverage. Aim for 95%. Ensure every user story is actually tested. Defects fixed per day. This identifies dev bottlenecks before they stall your release. Execution speed. Know exactly how long your manual and automated cycles take. Automation ratio. Aim for 60% or higher to eliminate manual fatigue. Active defects. Set a threshold. If you cross it, stop and fix before moving forward. Severe bugs. Protect the user by defining your red zone for critical issues. When you track these 6, you move from reactive fixing to proactive shipping. Stop guessing. Build your audit-ready Q&A process at Kualitee.com today.